The handheld gaming industry has been pulling a massive psychological trick on you for years, forcing you into a frustrating, compromised ecosystem that leaves millions of PC gamers completely unsatisfied. On one hand, tech companies want you to buy underpowered, lockdown mobile consoles with outdated processors that stutter and drop frames the moment you try to load a modern AAA game title. They lock you into proprietary storefronts, charge a premium for old software, and compromise your visual fidelity just to fit a device inside your backpack. On the other hand, they offer bulky, massive gaming laptops that require giant power bricks, burn through their batteries in an hour, and get so hot they are impossible to actually use comfortably on your lap or on a plane. But right now, a quiet engineering revolution has officially broken through the noise, and ASUS has dropped a portable titan that completely shatters the barrier between ultra portability and raw, desktop-class performance. This is the ASUS ROG Ally 2. This is not just an incremental spec bump or a minor design iteration. This is a monumental architectural and silicon shift that completely redefines the boundaries of mobile PC gaming. If you are a competitive sports player, a hardcore RPG fan, a Steam library collector, or anyone who has been waiting for the ultimate pocket-sized powerhouses to mature, you need to freeze exactly what you are doing. The entire landscape of portable gaming and productivity has just been completely rewritten, and the sheer power hidden inside this lightweight, sleek frame is about to alter how you play, work, and consume media forever. To understand why this tiny gaming machine is causing absolute panic across the entire tech industry, you have to look under the hood at an engineering feat that defies traditional thermodynamics. ASUS didn't just give this device a standard mobile chip. They equipped the ROG Ally 2 with an elite, customized silicon architecture, featuring heavily upgraded graphics computing units and unprecedented memory bandwidth. For years, the main limitation of small form factor devices was heat. If you put a powerful processor inside a small enclosure, the device would rapidly overheat, drain its battery in an hour, and throttle its performance to a crawl, turning your favorite games into an unplayable slideshow. ASUS bypassed this entire limitation by engineering a sub-2 nanometer chip that delivers the raw computing power of a high-end desktop console while running remarkably cool and drawing a fraction of the power. The result is a handheld that fits effortlessly in your hands but can seamlessly run modern, graphically intensive titles at native high resolutions with smooth, triple-digit frame rates. It entirely erases the psychological friction of choosing between mobility and power, turning this pocket-sized device into a silent, hyper-efficient gaming supercomputer. Let's talk about the display technology, because this is where the daily user experience reaches an entirely new level of immersion. For generations, compact handhelds suffered from noticeable screen compromises, including annoying ghosting, washing out colors, and jagged edge lines. The ROG Ally 2 permanently cures these flaws with a radical new ultra-smooth display matrix that adapts dynamically to your specific frame rates. Moving through fast-paced action sequences, exploring vast open worlds, or scrolling through your game library feels completely frictionless, as if the user interface is operating in perfect synchronization